Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Yeah, boy. Astro Auto Repairs is working on L&J ice cream trucks. Okay, what we have here is a 2002 Workhorse FT1061. And the customer's complaint doesn't start. So if you got one, and all these are considered, this got the 5.7 engine, the Grumman bread trucks, the C3500s, the P series trucks, bread trucks and all that, they're pretty much going to be the same. So the vehicle don't start. Cranks don't start. That's what we're going to find out what's happening. We're going to find out what's happening right here today on Astro Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Oh, hey guys and girls, I'm Bet from I Seek Out the Truth. Welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repair. Can you dig it?
Alright, here we go guys. Let's get in here and see what's going on. In the meantime, I should get me some ice cream in the meantime too. Ice cream. Alright, so let's find out what's going on. Wow. Heard that rumbling noise, man. But the fuel pump was coming on. That's cool. Let's crank it. Okay. Alright. You know what guys? Let's remove this doghouse. That's what they call this, the engine cover or doghouse. Let's remove this. And then we're gonna check for, every time on any kind of vehicle, you're gonna be looking for a spark, fuel, injector pulse. Gotta check those first. If you got those three, then this car should start, and compression will be the last one. But let's get this cover off and let's further diagnose this thing. We'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. One thing I like about GMs is that to test fuel pressure, it is easy because they have the Schrader valve right here. So we're gonna take this cap off. And we're going to hook up our fuel gauge. Make sure that's tight and put that on. And what we're going to do, check spark. Here's our spark tester. Get them from Harbor Freight. $5 or something. Take off one of the spark plug wires. Either one, doesn't matter. And you want to put the tool between the spark plug wire and the spark plug. Now let me get this onto the spark plug. Now what's going to happen here is as I'm cranking the engine, if I can get this thing on here, while I'm cranking the engine, there's going to be a light that's going to flash in it. That's because of the spark going through the wire down into the tool. So then I'll know it's got a spark. And at the same time, I check fuel pressure. Now the fuel pressure on this truck is between 50 and 62. So, we expecting that. Now, when we first put the key on, we should also get fuel pressure right off the top. So, let's cut our key on. It's about 8. But, don't stop there. What we're going to do is crank the engine. When you crank it, the fuel pressure should jump up to where it's supposed to be. And at the same time, we're going to be checking for spark. Alright, so let's crank it. Alright, we got spark. Can you do that again? Let's crank that again. Oh yeah. 8 PSI. This pump is not putting out anything. Wow. So we definitely got a bad pump here. Now, when we go to, we're gonna talk to the customer, changing the pump, give us some prices on changing the pump. At the same time, you got to change that fuel filter. Because if your fuel filter is clogged, it's going to put a strain on your fuel pump, that your fuel pump has to pump that gas through that dirt and all that. And that will also kill your fuel pump. So...
Your what?
The fuel pump. I said fuel pump.
No, you didn't.
I did not. I did say fuel pump.
You can replay it.
You know...
You said the fuel pump.
You know, I was going to try to get some ice cream for you, but now that's done.
Your fuel pump.
You know? Anyway... All right.
So, but we heard the pump come on. So what's the deal?
Because even though, and that's a good question, even though...
I know. That's what I asked.
You know, this don't make no kind of sense that I gotta be harassed like this.
Yeah, I'll show you harassment.
All right. Even though you hear the fuel pump coming on, it doesn't mean anything. Because it could be coming on, the motor could be spinning, but it's just not pumping that fuel through there. As you can see.
So that's it. We're done.
That's it. It's quick. So we'll be right back.
Okay, so today we had a 2002 Workhorse Fastrack FT1061 with a 5.7 engine, and the issue was that it didn't start. Checked it quickly, and came out to be that it was the fuel pump. The fuel pump is working. It's just not strong enough to pump the gas to the engine. I don't know, something like that. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.